Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about the zoology topic Animal Kingdom Part 2. Animal Kingdom Part 2 includes the phylum Chordata to class mammals. We know already what is the difference between the chordates and non-chordates. Chordates are the higher vertebrates. Non-chordates are invertebrates. Some special features are there. Animal belonging to chordates have three fundamental characters. The three fundamental characters are: one is presence of notochord, a long rod-like structure arises from the head region and extending to the tail region, from the anterior to posterior. These are originate from the embryonic mesoderm, that is notochord. Second important characters, dorsal tubular nerve cord. All chordates have dorsal side, tubular nerve cord. Third important part is pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. Along with the fourth important characters are post-anal tail. So you know what is the notochord? These are important characters of chordates. These are present in embryonic stage as well as adult stage in some chordates. Other chordates, that means higher chordates, the notochord is present at the embryonic stage. It is replaced by vertebral cord. So the notochord is present between the nerve cord and the alimentary canal. This is the notochord. Is present between the nerve cord and the alimentary canal. Notochord is arise from the embryonic mesoderm. So again, above the notochord is called the nerve cord. Nerve cord also is embryonic ectoderm, is arise from the embryonic ectoderms. This beginning from the anterior side, that means head side, to the posterior regions. In higher vertebrates, the nerve cord, after it develops, the anterior end become brain and the posterior end become spinal cord. The third important part is called pharyngeal, paired pharyngeal gill slit. Gill slit means the exterior opening is located on the pharynx. This is one of the organ for respiration in all vertebrates. So the pharyngeal gill slit also present in embryonic stage in all chordates. Some vertebrates, the pharyngeal gill slit are modified into lungs or it may be other respiratory organs. Along with these three characters, after the anus is called post-anal tail. Post-anal tail means posterior to anus. Posterior to anus. So these are three or it may be four important characters which are found in all chordates. What are the other features of the chordates? Chordates are deuterostome animals. What is called a deuterostome animal? A special structure in embryonic stage. A special structure in embryonic stage. The structure is called as blastophore. Blastophore. In gastrulation, a small opening is present. This is called the blastophore. The blastophore develop into anus, or the anus develop from the blastophore. This kind of animal are called as deuterostome. In lower vertebrates or lower chordates are the protostome animals. For example, Annelida, Arthropoda, these are called protostome. What is called protostome? The blastophores are developed into mouth. In protostome animal are the schizocoelomates. Here, this is the blastophore, but the blastophore developed into mouth. Is the mouth. So these are the special characters in the invertebrates. That means Annelida, Arthropoda. These are called as schizocoelomates. These are called enterocoelomates. So that blastopore developing anus is developed from the blastopore is called deuterostome. These are developed, the mouth is the first opening is called mouth is called as protostomes. So the chordate, all chordates are the deuterostome animals. What are the other features of the chordates? You know already the digestive system of the chordates. Digestive system. The digestive system is complete. That means alimentary canal is complete. Digestive glands are present. And the digestion is extracellular. So what is the alimentary canal? Is complete alimentary canal means the alimentary canal begins from the mouth and ends with the anus or it may be cloaca. This is called the complete digestive tract or alimentary canal. And another one is the digestive glands are present. Digestive glands are present. For example, liver and pancreas are digestive glands. And the third important part, digestion of the all chordates are extracellular. What is called extracellular digestion? Digestion takes place outside of the cell. In the lumen or stomach is called extracellular digestion. Extracellular digestion. This is the digestive system. So the teeth are well developed in the mouth. The teeth are homodont. It may be homodont, or it may be polybiodont and heterodont. Some chordates are heterodont or it may be acrodont type of the teeth. What is called homodont? This kind of teeth are similar type, similar size. These are called as homodont. What is called polybiodont? So this kind of teeth fall several times and regrow several times. It may be many times, many set of the teeth. For example, amphibians, frog is undergoes polybiodont. After they falls down, immediately they are regrows. So what is called heterodont? Heterodont teeth. Heterodont are the different kind of the teeth. For example, mammals are heterodont. We are heterodont. We have different type of the teeth based on their function. They are called heterodont. What is called acrodont? Acrodont means the teeth are attached superficial of the gums. It is not firmly fixed. If the teeth is firmly fixed in the socket, they are called as thecodont. Thecodont. The mammalian teeth are called thecodont because the teeth base is firmly fixed in the socket. It is embedded in the socket. But in this case, acrodont, it is superficially attached. It is surface of the gum. So this kind of the digestive system. What is called respiratory system in chordate? The respiratory system in chordate is different. So first respiratory system is gills or lungs or it may be skin. There are different type of the respiratory system. For example, pronephric, mesonephric, metanephric type of the respiratory system. Another one is called the excretory system. Excretory system of the chordates. Their main nitrogenous base, it may be urea, uric acid, or it may be ammonia. We will discuss later what are the separate animals they excrete that main excretory waste or nitrogenous waste. So this kind of nephric type is pronephric, mesonephric or metanephric type of the nephros. So this is the excretory system. The major excretory organs are the all chordates or kidneys. Next is circulatory system. You know circulatory system. The organ of circulatory system is the heart. Heart it may be what is a closed type of the circulation. Closed type of circulation means the blood transport through the closed tube or blood vessels is closed circulation. The heart is it may be 3-chambered heart, 2-chambered or it may be 4-chambered heart. It is a different chordate because the chordate containing several other circulation or subgroups are there. So the blood of the chordates are red in color due to the presence of red colored pigment is hemoglobin. In some other animals are there. It is a circulation. The reproductive system it may be unisexual. Some animal the fertilization takes place within the body. They are called internal fertilization. In some other animals the fertilization outside of the body is called external fertilization. So this is the reproductive system. Some animals directly produce young ones, that may be babies. Some other animals, they are produce larvae. If the animals producing larvae, they are called indirect development. If the animals producing directly baby is called direct development. So these are called reproductive system. So these are general characters of the chordate. Is divided into three subphylum. Phylum Chordata is divided into three subphylum. The three subphylum are the first one is Urochordata. Urochordata. The second one is Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. The third one is Vertebrate. Vertebrate. These are main phylum. These are subphylum. These are subphylum. Urochordata. This first one is this Urochordata and the Cephalochordata. These are called as protochordates. Protochordates. Urochordata and the Cephalochordata are commonly known as protochordate. Why it is called protochordates? These are called primitive chordates. These are otherwise called as acraniata. Acraniata. Why it is called acraniata? Absence of the brain box. They do not have brain box. They are called as acraniata. Cranium means brain box. These are called protochordates. First chordates. This another one is called vertebrate. Now the protochordata or acraniata. These are main things for is the first two kind of the subphylum. Now the chordata having notochord. Sometimes notochord is replaced by vertebral column. The vertebral column is made up of cartilage or maybe bones. This kind of system is called vertebrata. So all vertebrates are called as chordates, but all chordates not the vertebrates. Note it. All vertebrates are chordate, but not all vertebrates are chordate. All vertebrates are chordate, but not all chordates are vertebrates. Vertebrates. Okay. So these are the important things for this. Now we will discuss about the general characters of Urochordata. Urochordata or marine. These are found only in the sea water. Another. These are triploblastic animal. Triploblastic means the body is divisible into three layers. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderms. These are bilaterally symmetrical. Or the adult form is asymmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical. Bilateral symmetrical, but the adult form is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical. In this body is covered by a special kind of coat or membrane is called test, or it is otherwise called tunic. Hence the Urochordata is otherwise called as tunicata. The body of Urochordata, the structure of Urochordata is a stumpy in nature. This is the first two opening. This structure is there. This is the second opening. This is a head mania, for example, head mania, Urochordates. This first opening is called bronchial aperture. Bronchial aperture. The second opening is called atrial aperture. Aperture means open. Another part, this area, the circular part is atrial siphon. Is a circular part. This part is bronchial siphon. This is the general body. So the body is covered by a special kind of the coat is called test or tunic. Hence the urochordate otherwise called tunicata. This region is foot. So these are structure of the urochordata, means adult parts. Here the tunicata or tunic is made up of a special kind of cellulose-like structure is tunicin. Tunicin is a polysaccharide. Cellulose-like organic substance is called tunicin. Hence the name is called tunicata. Is the urochordate. And the next system is digestive system is complete. Is a complete alimentary canal. Which are the mouth and other structures. Next one is the respiratory system also well developed. The respiratory organs of the urochordate are the gill slits. Gill slits are the respiratory organ. Next one is circulatory system. The circulatory system are the open type. The urochordate are the open type. The heart is located at the ventral surface. It is a open type of the circulation. In Headmania, it is one of the animals belonging to the urochordate or the Headmania. This Headmania, the blood is green or purple in color, due to the presence of pigmentis vanadium. Called vanadium. This is present in blood cell is called vanadocyte. These are another important characteristics features. And what is the excretory system of urochordate? Excretory system are the three excretory organs. One is supraneural gland, pyloric gland, and another one is nephrocytes. These are the excretory organ of the urochordates. In some other form of the animals, a small glandular structure is present. That glandular structure is called as endostyle is present. In urochordates, the digestive system is V-shaped and the type of feeding is ciliary feeding. The respiratory system occurs by the gill slits. And the circulatory system is open type. The heart is tubular, is located on the ventral surface. Open type means there is no blood vessel. Directly the blood passes into the different parts of the body. So the blood of Headmania is green in color due to the presence of pigmentis vanadium. Is a present in blood corpuscle is called the vanadocyte. The excretory system of the urochordates are supraneural glands, pyloric glands, nephrocytes. A ciliary glandular slit present the ventral surface of the pharynx is called endostyle. Endostyle is an important part in urochordates which helps to absorb the iodine from the marine water. It is indicate this organ endostyle of the urochordate are homologous to the thyroid gland in mammals. What is the homologous? They are structurally similar, functionally dissimilar. They are called as homologous. In other cases, the reproductive system of the urochordate, the reproductive system is bisexual. Bisexual are the monoecious, that are hermaphrodite animals. You know hermaphrodite, male and female reproductive organs are located in same animal. They are called as hermaphrodite. All hermaphrodite are the bisexual. Or the term indicates the monoecious, bisexual. Here, why it is called hermaphrodite? It is always favored for cross fertilization. Note it. Cross fertilization. It is a favor for cross fertilization. But it avoids the self-fertilization. Why it is? Because the two organs are located in the same animals, but it mature at different times. Hence, this kind of reproductive system is called protogynous. Protogynous. What is called protogynous? The ovary mature first, then the sperm mature or testis mature. What is the protogynous? The ovary of the animal mature first. Mature first. Mature first. This kind is called protogynous. Hence, it is called as cross fertilization. In single animal, the two organs not mature at the same time. Only one organ is mature. Hence, it is called protogynous. So, the cross fertilization means what? Fertilization takes place within the two animals, not the same animals. So, these are the reproductive system. Another important characteristic features of the urochordates are called retrogressive metamorphosis. This is note it, retrogressive metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. What is the retrogressive metamorphosis? The urochordates, the notochord is present in the tail region in the larval stage. The notochord is present in the tail region, particularly in the larval stage. During metamorphosis, the larva become adult. It get lost the notochord and other chordate characters. Note it is very important. Retrogressive metamorphosis seen in urochordates because notochord is present only the larval stage, particularly in the tail regions. During metamorphosis, the other chordate character like notochord is lost. So, what is the retrogressive metamorphosis? The more developed larva become less developed adult. This is called the retrogressive metamorphosis. In adult stage, they lost the all chordate characters. That is like a notochord and the nerve cord. Only it retains the pharyngeal sheath for the respiration. This is an important condition. This urochordates. Cephalochordata. Cephalo means head. Chordata means notochord. So the cephalo means what is it? Head region. The notochord is present only the head region. Notochord is only present in this head to tail regions. The notochord is developed from the anterior region to posterior region. This notochord is found throughout the life. Hence, it is called as cephalochordata. Cephalochordata are the first chordate. Disclose resemblance to all chordate characters. That is a notochord present from the anterior to the posterior regions. All the cephalochord are the marine forms. These are present in shallow water, in the sea water. So, what is the digestive system of the cephalochordata? Is a complete digestive system is seen. So, the digestive system begins from the mouth. For example, this animal is fish-like animals. The anterior end, the mouth is located ventrally. The ventrally located mouth. These are fish-like bird. Ventrally located. A small bulge is present here. These are oral hood. The oral hood protrudes many sense organ or tentacles like structure. This structure is called oral cirri. Here it is the mouth, another oral hood, small bulge area. This anterior part is called rostrum region. Here, beneath the oral hood, a special structure is present. This structure is called organ of Mullett, or it is otherwise called wheel organ or ciliated Mullett organ. What is the role of the wheel organ or Mullett? It helps in ingestion of the food materials. It produces circular water currents. Water currents. Beneath the structure, in its mouth or oral hood, another structure is present. This structure is called a Hatschek pit. Hatschek pit. What is the role of the Hatschek pit? It produces mucus. This is also ciliary feeder. Here, the notochord present from the head region to the tail region. Notochord is present from the head region to the tail regions. This continues from the larval stage to the adult stage. Above the notochord is called nerve cord. These are nerve cord. Nerve cord is present. Below this, a alimentary canal is present. A long important structure is present. The structure is a muscular bands. The muscular bands is called myotones. Muscular bands. Below that, at the ventral side, a small box-like structure is present. This all box-like structure, that means 26 pairs of the box-like structure. These are called as gonads. Gonads. Here, the pins are present in the amphiaxis. These pins are called dorsal pin. Unpaired dorsal pins. Another smaller pins also there here. This is a first dorsal pin, second dorsal pins, and this is called as caudal pin. This kind of pin is caudal pins. This structure is present on ventral side is ventral fin. Ventral fin. So these are the special features of the cephalochordata. For example, amphiaxis. For example, amphiaxis. So these are the digestive system. Another one is respiratory system. Respiration system is occurred by the pairs of gill slits. This is the respiratory organ. What is the circulatory system? Circulatory system are the closed type. Tell what is the closed type of the circulation. And this closed type means the blood vessels are present, but there is no blood pigment is present. Not blood pigment is present. Next one is excretory system are a special type of the nephrosis. The excretory system of cephalochordate are the protonephridia. Protonephridia. Protonephridia otherwise called solenocyte. Protonephridia or solenocyte. Or these are called as excretory organ. In addition to this, Hatschek pit nephridium is present in the amphiaxis, cephalochordate. So that reproduction is, it is a unisexual. And sometimes it is called as internal fertilization is occurred. So example of this amphiaxis, example of the cephalochordate are examples of the cephalochordate, that is branchiostoma. 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 That means amphiaxis. Amphiaxis. Or it is otherwise called as lancelet. Lancelet. So these are the some of the systems which are present. The pair of the ganglion is present in the system is nervous system of the body. These are the special features of cephalochordate. Cephalochordate animals are otherwise called as blueprints. Blueprint organism. Why it is called as blueprint organism? Blueprint means it is a first chordate which having all chordate characters. All chordate characters. First chordates. It is a protochordate. It is a cephalochordate. That means head formation. Cephalo means head formation. This is important features of the phylum chordate. That is urochordate. That is a previous. We have discussed already, but the example of the urochordates. The urochordates have three classes. The first class is Larvaceae, second Thalliaceae, third one is Ascidiaceae. What is the special features of the Larvaceae? These are always larval stage. It is maintained always larval stage. Hence it is, these characters always neoteny character. Neoteny. What is called a neoteny? Neoteny otherwise called as Pedogenesis. What is a pedogenesis? The larva failed to metamorphosis, it attains sexual maturity. Note this point. What is a neoteny or pedogenesis is found in some organism, especially present in Urochordates. The first class is the Larvaceae. It is always maintain the larva, but it attains sexual maturity, but do not attain the metamorphosis. It do not attain the larva become adults, but it attains the sexual maturity. This kind of changes is called neoteny or pedogenesis. A special feature, other features also there. These are called pseudomorphism. What is called pseudomorphism? A gelatinous sheet-like structure present on the body. These are the temporary stored or escaped animals. A small jelly-like structure is present. This kind is called pseudomorphism. What is called Thalliaceae? This belongs to the class is three animals. One is Pyrosoma, Salpa, another one is Dolium. These three animals belong to the class is Thalliaceae. What is the special features of Pyrosoma? It acts as the bioluminescence. What is a bioluminescence? It is a special light emitting organ is present. A special light emitting organ is present in Pyrosoma. This character is called bioluminescence. Note it, Pyrosoma. What its class is? Thalliaceae. The third one is called Acidiaceae. What is the example of the Acidiaceae? Headmania and Acidia. Headmania or otherwise called as sea potato or sea scut. So this other name is called sea potato. So commonly called as Acidia. The larval form of the Urochordates are tadpole larva. Tadpole larva is present. This larva is Acidian tadpole larva. So that's why these characters. Urochordate or Urochordates general characters are completed. Now we are talking about the general features of the vertebrata. Vertebrata are divided into two major divisions. The vertebrata. What is the two major division? One is called Anata or Anathostomata. Second one is called Gnathostomata. So what is Anata? These are divided based on the presence or absence of the jaws. This mouth is not supported by jaws, hence it is called jawless vertebrate. Note it, jawless vertebrates. The vertebrata having the cranial box or brain box, hence vertebrata otherwise called as craniata. Anata are the jawless fish. It includes only one class. That one class name is Cyclostomata. So now the Gnathostomata again divides into two superclass. The first class is Gnathostomata is Pisces. This is the Pisces. Another one is Tetrapoda. These are the superclasses. Because this is the division Gnathostomata. Again divided into two superclasses. One is Pisces, another one is Tetrapoda. Based on the presence of the locomotor organs. The fishes having the locomotor organs are the fins and tails. They have fins and tails. What is the locomotor organ of Tetrapoda? Are the limbs. What is the tetra means what? Two pairs of limbs. That means four limbs. Two are the front side, they are called forelimbs. Two are the back side is hind limbs. That is, hence the name is called the tetrapod. So the fishes are the again divides into class. two classes. These are the class. One is called Chondrichthyes. One is Chondrichthyes. Another one is Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes. These are the classes of the pisces. The pisces are divided into two classes. One is Chondrichthyes, another one is Osteichthyes. Another, the tetrapod again divides into four classes. First one is Amphibia. Another is Reptilia. The third one is Aves. Fourth one is Mammals. There are four classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammals. These are the tetrapod. So again, I repeat, the vertebrate are otherwise called Craniata due to the presence of the cranial box. These are divided into two subdivision. One is division. One is Aenata. Aenata means the mouth is not supported by jaw. Hence it is called jawless vertebrates. Another one is Gnathostomata. They have the mouth is well protected by the jaw. These are jawed vertebrates. So the Aenata have only one class is Cyclostomata. The Gnathostomata have two superclasses. One is fishes. Their locomotory organ is fins and a tail. The tetrapoda, their locomotory organs are the limbs. Fishes again classified into two classes. One is Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes are otherwise called as cartilaginous fish. Osteichthyes otherwise called bony fish. The tetrapoda again divided into four classes. One is Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammals. Okay. So now we are discuss about this. What is the special characters of Agnatha? That means Cyclostomata.